Windows security is not working or Windows security is not opening, we will be doing only one simple step to fix this problem. Alright, so basically we are going to reset the whole package of Windows security and it should work when we restart the computer. Alright, so do the right click in your start icon and this will work on Windows 10 as well. Alright, so once you do the right click, go to Terminal Admin and it will ask you to say yes. And then you will find C like this. If you're using Windows 10, you can search for PowerShell and then run as administrator. You will also get the same window. Now here we need to paste a command which I will mention in the description box, and you just need to press Ctrl V once you're here, and this will be actually the reset package for Microsoft Windows security. So I'll just hit enter and this will start deploying and resetting, and then we just need to restart the computer. Now restarting the computer is a must, and once you're done, please do let me know if this tutorial is helpful or not. So by any chance, if this tutorial helped you, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section. I really need your support. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.